this is another treat. This is part 2 of the egg bites, but not egg bites. At the same time the egg bites were going on, we're doing jalapeno poppers wrapped with bacon, and the wife also did that. So we're going to be showing you how she does that, how she mixes all the ingredients, and giving you the instructions on how to. Now, if you like jalapenos, something spicy, this is something that is absolutely fantastic. So, again, let's see what the wife's doing and how we do this. All right. Thanks for watching.
About 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. Quarter cup of shredded cheese. The softer the cream cheese, the easier it is to work together with the shredded cheese. This is the same pan that was used for the bacon. Why waste the parchment paper? Let's release the egg bites.
And they were
6 minutes.
right. They were 6 minutes. And how long after it?
I should have done it. I should have
done it
done
when
it.
the timer went.
Yeah.
I could have done that if you just.
You just want to get that mixed up together. Bacon that's not real crispy. One piece of bacon shy, so I'm just going to lay these little pieces
You got some up on the thing still.
Here. Oh. Let's put these little boogers on there. Still get the same effect. Okay.
Now we won't show it going in the oven, so what are you going to set the oven at for how long?
Usually 350 for about 15 minutes. I'll keep looking at them to see how much the bacon and everything goes and make sure that the peppers themselves get softened. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Smell that cheese.
Poppers were in about 20 minutes at 350 degrees, and here they come. Oh, they smell so good. Look at how yummy they look. And they are. For those that like jalapenos.
They're good now, but once they're reheated tomorrow, they will have more bite to them. I don't know why, but they usually do.
And these will cool off. And once they're cool, they'll go into a plastic container with a lid and then go under the refrigerator. If certain people don't get the munching on them beforehand. Can't have these anywhere around my brother-in-law.
Okay, there they are.
And they just look absolutely scrumptious. Let me zoom in on them things and get another good view. I wish my leg on this tripod would quit acting up, but there they are. Oh man, I need to take a still. Well, I hope this takes out. I don't hear the shutter, and I hope that's what it's doing. All right, and that's going to conclude the poppers and the egg bites.